Today I'm going to walk you through how to use a tool called bulk mockup, and the point of this tool is to create a bunch of product mockups for a lot of different designs all at once in Photoshop. Specifically, I have these 7 envelope liner designs here that I'm going to use, and I have 5 different mockups created here in Photoshop, and we're going to show you how we make all of those. So if we were to make 5 mockups of 7 different designs, that would be 35 different mockups, and it would take us quite a while to open up all the different mockups, select all the different designs, save them out, etc. But I'm going to show you how we do this in just a minute or two with bulk mockup. I actually think for this amount of mockups for 35, it's going to take under 3 minutes, maybe even under 2 minutes. And if you have more, I've created over 1,000 mockups at once, and it took about an hour, but I wasn't actually doing anything. I was just letting the computer run. So let's dive in. Let me show you this amazing tool. When you open up Photoshop, you go into your plugins and you'll have bulk mockup. So you just click it. You don't want to have any files open. And you have 3 folders that you need. First and foremost is the PSD templates folder, the design files folder, and then third is the export folder. So let me show you what those mean. The PSD templates folder is your Photoshop mockups. Each of these mockups should have a smart object that you're using to replace with your design. The new version of bulk mockup can actually handle multiple different smart objects in the same file if you have multiple things you want to change out for each design. I'm going to show you a simple version today. The design files folder is all of your different designs. So that's what I have here with these 7 designs. And then we have the export folder, which is where you want to export them. Just make sure you're able to put them in an empty folder somewhere where you know where you can find them. There are a ton of different settings you can put in here about like the design layer, the export settings, etc., folders, files. So you can even have it process like subfolders if you have multiple folders within the same folder. But I'm just going to keep it really simple and do these 7 designs with these 5 different mockup templates. So first I'll select the folder where we have all of our mockups, the PSD templates, this folder, and then I'll select the design files folder, which is this one, and then I'm going to select the export folder. Now let's zoom in on the time here. It's exactly 3 o'clock. Let's see if we can get this done in less than 2 minutes. I think less than 3 minutes is very doable. So what you'll start to see is it's kind of working on things, and you'll see the designs cycling through. Right now, we're cycling through just this burgundy close-up envelope mockup, and you'll see after we get through all 7 of them, we will cycle through a different mockup. So we have the burgundy close-up. You can see the name of that file at the top is burgundycu.psd. And then once we get through this particular mockup, it will move on to a different one. Sometimes you can see every single thing that comes through. Sometimes it skips them or starts working really fast. Don't really worry about what you're seeing on screen as long as you're not getting an error message. So now we've got this dusty blue one that's open, and you can see every design cycling through and what each one is going to look like. And this is so much easier. I can just chat with you, scroll TikTok, do whatever I want instead of waiting for this to happen. So I'm going to speed this up now, and we'll see how long it actually takes to get through all 35 of the mockups that we're working on today. Okay, once Photoshop kind of opens back up to this page, you know it's done, and it's still 3:02, so this is less than 2 minutes. And let's see what we have here. So what's cool about bulk mockup is it can put everything in one open folder, or it can separate it by design. So these are the different design names. I didn't really name these very well, but for instance, the blue and pink flowers, all of the mockups containing that design are right here in this folder. So we know exactly where to find them, and we have 5 different ones. And then in this one, we also have 5 different mockups with this design, and so on and so forth. And these are all just perfectly placed. They look amazing, and now we can upload them to our shop. So I am obsessed with bulk mockup. This was only 35 and it took less than 2 minutes. So you can imagine if we had like 1,000 of these to do. Typically my mockup folder has 42 different mockups, and I make 42 mockups of every single design. So allowing this to do it for me just makes it so much faster. Sometimes I have 20, 30, 40 designs and 42 different mock-ups all at once. And I love that I can just set it to run, go do some cleaning, run some errands, etc. And when I come back, they'll all be perfectly created and categorized here for me in their own folders. So let me know what you think. If you have questions about this, I'm going to link Bulk Mockup in the description for you. And if you have any questions, I'm going to post a longer tutorial about how to actually set up your files and things if you're not so familiar with using mockups and smart files in Photoshop.